So this is a Joyin Cash Register. I don't see a lot of reviews in YouTube about this register. So you get like money, and you have a lot of money and just one coin. Let's see if we get more coins. So I'm gonna open this one. I hope I get more coins than this one. Oh, let's see. Huh, you have a lot of money in here. So you have $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, $50, and $100 bill. So let's see more what we have here. How many accessories did I mention here? I'm gonna check it later. Oops. So other accessories. So we have one tomato, an onion. I like this because I don't have onion in my Fresh Mart. We have chili. So you can see there's like Joyin here. And what else do we have? So we have an orange. Mushroom. Just one mushroom. We have a donut. We have two kinds of milk, chocolate milk and regular fresh milk. We have cereal. It's made of plastic, that's why it's a bit heavy. What else do we have here? We have a slice of avocado, egg, one more egg. It's like a life-size egg. A cookie and a carrot. So they're actually a durable plastic, and you get a lot of accessories with this one. So next one. So thank God I found the coins. I don't know why the loan coin is in the banknotes. So and actually, because I bought this in Amazon UK, but the currency is in US dollars. It's actually very good quality coins. You can hear it's like the real ones. Even if you buy toys cash register here in Sweden, you still get like euros or dollars. So often euros, but you don't get like any Swedish crowns, even if you buy the cash register toy here in Sweden. So this is the cash register. I put like 3 AA batteries. Batteries not included. So let's check if this works. I haven't turned it on. So it's in Spanish. I think you need to change the language here. It says English and Spanish. So let's see. So it's in English now, and you see the point of sale terminal. It's really big. So you get a debit card, and you can pay with your card. And it's weird because they don't have numbers. It's like more.
Fruit, toys, cake, clothes, candy.
It's like items, and this. Okay.
Hello, please wait.
And it has like lights here. Oh, it actually gives like random prices if you press this one.
Milk, cake, toys, cake.
So it's programmed to give like random prices. Let's see here. So you can scan your item here. Oops. We need to press this one. Not sure how to do that. Let's just slide. So you need to press this one, and it doesn't have any lights. It gives random prices. So my total is $471. It's a lot. And see, we can see the till. Okay, this might be defective. So it took me around 5 minutes to open the cash register, the back, because the till is stuck. So now it's working, and if you can see it, I need to place the camera a bit further away. So this is the cash register, and you have the point of sale terminal. It didn't say in the box how many accessories in this set. No, didn't say anything. There's no manual either. So, but I think you get like a lot from this toy, and it's a bit cheaper. I got this for free because it didn't came on time, and I only paid taxes, which is more than the cash register itself. So we're gonna put money in here, so it's nice because it has a divider, so you can put your coins and then you put the banknotes here. Should be good if you have like 2 separators for the banknotes. Turn it on again. For parents that doesn't like a noisy toy, so this is really noisy. So if you lift it up.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So what I do for noisy cash register toys, I usually put like tape over the speaker, so it the volume will be lower a little bit. So I put more tape if it's really noisy. It blocks a little bit of sound. So for the banknotes, you have like from $1 to $100, and what I like about this is printed front and back, and it's really realistic, you see. And you get 12 each, so 12 $1 to 12 $100, so that is a lot. But let's see if we can put it here. See if it. So it's just perfect size for the till, and then some coins. So you get a lot of coins as well. This is like $1 coin, and then you have let's call this one $half. You get a lot of call this one $quarter. So you have like 10. You put here, and then this is like 5 cents. You get like 6, and then you get more 1 cent, so 10 1 cents, and then you get 6 dimes. So it's because it's just 2 separators, so really need to check your change if it's right. It's because there's a lot of money that is included in this set, so you might need to like don't put everything in the cash register. By the way, the cash register automatically turns off by itself, so good, because you need to save batteries. Let's see, total is 6, and then you use the debit card here.
Hello, please wait.
Okay. There's no manual, so instead of paying here, I'm just gonna use here on the side of the register. So you can also do that. So I'm not really sure how to do this.
Milk, cake.
So there's no manual. This is just gives like sound, different kind of sound.
Hello,
So
please wait.
just says please wait. So I'm gonna wait a little bit more. So these are the accessories that came along with the cash register. I think this cash register is nice to play with. It's just the volume is just too, like, it's a bit irritating, but I like it that you can change it from Spanish to English. You get a lot of accessories with this, and the price is good. So I have a problem with the tail. I can't open it, but when I just unscrew the back,
Thank you. Bye-bye.
so it works. So, and it automatically turns off, so it saves battery. You do need 3 AA batteries, and that's a lot, but I think this will last for a long time. Let's see. And you get like food products here, and yeah, it's nice, a beginner cash register toy, because you can have a lot of products, you have money, and yeah, it's a good beginner's cash register. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us on Instagram and TikTok. babyp_toy reviews for Instagram, and baby_p_meanings on my TikTok. So thank you for watching. Bye.